take a spoolie brush or eyeliner pencil, place it on the tip of your nose to the start of your brows. That's how you'll find the beginning of your brows. Then you're going to rotate it to the right or to the left of the brows, and that's how you'll find your arch. And then you'll also do the same and place it from the tip of your nose to the end of your eyelid, and that's how you find the tail of your brows. So just look on what I'll do here and you'll see. So for this step, you can leave the brows just like this, or you can go ahead with your concealer of choice and use it to carve out the shape of their brows. So you're going to use this to get a defined brow or to just highlight the brows.
I wish we could stay, but I got other demons I need face to face. You left me with a heavy heart. I'm colder than the day you met me in the dark. I feel the air around me as it starts to move. I realize I never had that much to
And guys, what you're seeing me doing here is I'm taking that contour shade and I'm blending it right in between the brows. This gives you a natural looking flawless brow. And right now we're just going to go and finish blend out the brow. You can use back your powder brush, your foundation, and just blend out that concealer. This way it will blend back in with your foundation to have that flawless look. But yeah guys, that's the updated brow routine. I do hope you enjoy, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, hit the bell so you can always be notified, and I'll see you